Hi everyone, I hope you're all okay and working really hard at home. Today we're going to be learning about adding and in particular adding one more, okay? But before we start, let's do some warm-up. Let's start with some number recognition or numeral recognition, okay? So I'm going to show you a number and you need to tell me what number it is, and you can even show me how many you can see on your fingers as well. Shall we start? Are you ready? First number is number 3. Well done. Show me 3 fingers. Fantastic. Number 1. Easy peasy. Number 4. Fantastic. Can you show me 4 fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2. Well done. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bet some of you are nearly 5, aren't you? And some of you are probably already 5 already. What's this? Good job. Number 10. 5 add 5 is 10. Well done. What number is this? Number 7. How can we make a number 7? Show me on your fingers. Well done. 5 add 2. Brilliant. Number 6. How do we make a number 6? 5 add 1 more. Super. Oh, tricky. Number 9. How can we make number 9? Good. We can do 5 add 4, or sometimes I tell you it's easier to do 10 and take away 1 to make 9. Well done. Good job. Number 8. 5 and 3 equals 8. Oh, we're into the tricky ones now. We haven't learnt all of these, so just try your hardest. Good job. Number 14. If you're with a grown-up, you can pause the telly and see if you can make 14 with both of your hands, okay? Good job. We know this one. It's number 12. Well done. Number 15. Super. 1 and a 5 make 15. Number 11. Well done. Number 13. Tricky one, that one. This time we're going to play a little game. We've played this game before. It's called How Many Can You See? Okay, we're not going to sabotage now, so you're allowed to take your time and count with your fingers how many objects you can see. Okay, if mummies and daddies want to print off some of these pictures, you can do that already, and you can cross them off as you count them, so you know you're not counting them twice or 2 times. Okay, are you ready? How many buttons on the shirt? Take your time. 1, 2, 3. 3 buttons on the shirt. Well done. How many ducks on the river? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. Good counting. How many stars in the sky? Gosh, this is a tricky one. I'll give you a little minute to work it out. How many do you think? Let's see if you're right. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. Well done. How many presents under the tree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super counting. I bet some of you can tell me what 3D shapes you can see under the tree as well. Can you see a cylinder? Can you see a cube? Can you see a sphere? Can you see a cuboid? And can you see a triangular prism? That's a tricky one. Fantastic. Well done, guys. Okay, now it's time to sabotage. Remember, when we sabotage, we have to count with our brains, okay, and our eyes. We're not allowed to use our fingers to count, okay? We have to look at the patterns and see how many we can see as fast as we can. Are you ready? Let's go. How many? Good job, it's 5. How do we know it's 5? We could do 2, add 3. We could do 2, add 1, add 2. We could do 4, add 1. Fantastic. Next one. How many? Oh, I'm tricking you. It's the same again. It's 5, but it's just in a different pattern this time. How do we know it's 5 this time? We could do 1, add 4. 3, add 2. 1, add 2, add 2. Fantastic. Next one. How many? Easy one. 4 in a line. How do we know it's 4? We could do 1, add 1, add 1, add 1. We could do 2, add 2. It's doubles. Or we could do 3, add 1. Well done. How many? 3. Fantastic. How do we know it's 3? 1, add 1, add 1 is 3. Or we could do 2, add 1. Oh, easy one. How many? 2. Well done. How do we know it's 2? 1, add 1 is 2. Fantastic. Easy peasy. Right, now we're going to get into the tricky stuff. Today we're going to learn about adding. To start off with, can anybody tell me what the add sign looks like? Show me the add sign. Fantastic. It looks like that. Can you do a teeny tiny little add sign? Oh, very good. Can you do an add sign hat? Superstars. Can you do an add sign earring? Very nice. Can you do an add sign moustache? Can you do an add sign eyebrow? Very good. Okay, we know our add sign. What does adding mean? Who knows? What happens when we add numbers together? That's right, our number gets bigger when we add. Fantastic. So if our number gets bigger, are we going to be going backwards on our number line, or are we going to be going forwards? Oh, sorry, I need to do that the other way around. Backwards or forwards on our number line? Fantastic. We need to go forwards, don't we? Because our number is getting bigger. And if you look at my number track, as we go along the numbers, they get bigger and bigger and bigger until we get to number 20. Fantastic. I've got one more question for you. Can anybody remember the posh word for adding? Well done. Addition. Addition is another word for adding. Or we could say more than. That means adding as well, doesn't it? Fantastic. Well done, everybody. Okay, so we're going to play another game. This game is called Add One More. So what I need you to go and get is 10 small toys. They don't have to be toys. I'm going to use little buttons, okay? You could use coins, little pieces of Lego, anything that you've got 10 of. Something small that you've got 10 of, okay? So pause the video now and go and find 10 little toys for me. Okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a number of toys and you're going to add one more, okay? So let's start off. My first one. Okay, how many buttons have I got here? Count them. And then what I want you to do with your toys is add one more. So you need one more toy than I've got. Have a little go. Okay, let's count how many toys I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. So if we added one more toy, here it comes. How many should we have now? That's right, 5. Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic, everybody. Are you ready for your next one? Okay, I've made it a bit trickier this time. Count how many I've got. And now you add one more to your toys. You can pause the video if you need a bit more time. Let's count and see how many I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 toys, so if we add one more, how many will we have? Let's have a look. Are you ready? I've added one more. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Have you got 7 toys as well? 6 add one more toy is 7. Fantastic. I think we've got time for one more. Shall I make a tricky one? Okay. Okay, here's the last one. How many have I got? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Some of you already knew that because you know that 9 is 3 sets of 3. Well done. Can you get 9 toys? Pause the video while you get nine toys. Super. And then add one more. Are you ready? Miss Hollinshead's going to do it. Here goes. One more. How many have we got now? 9 add 1 is 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. If you thought that was easy, you can use even more toys. You might even want to use 20 toys and practice this activity at home with your mummies and daddies. Well done. For our next challenge, we're going to take a trip to the zoo, okay? And we are going to help the zookeeper to count the animals in each enclosure. An enclosure is where they live in each of their homes. But guess what? The cheeky more than monkey is there. Can you spot the cheeky more than monkey? There he is, look, he's so naughty. Every time the zookeeper arrives at the animal enclosure and counts the animals, the more than monkey adds one more animal. Can you help the zookeeper work out what one more will be? Do you think we can help the zookeeper? I do. Let's have a look at our first challenge. Are you ready? Who's it going to be? Oh, it's the lions. And how many lions can the zookeeper count? 1, 2, 3. Well done. The zookeeper has counted 3 lions. But the cheeky one more monkey is going to put one more in. Okay, so what is 3 lions add one more lion? Let's use a whiteboard to help us with this one. Are you ready? So, I'm not very good at drawing, so I'm not going to draw lines today. I'm going to draw circles and pretend that they're lions. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3 lions. Okay. Add one more lion. How many have we got all together now? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. All together, we've got 4 lions. Fantastic. For the next one, you can get a pen and paper and do it the same as me if you want. Okay, so pause the video and go and get a pen and paper. You can help me with the next one. Okay, who's next? It's the elephants. How many elephants can the zookeeper count? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. 5 elephants. So here we go again. Draw with me if you've got a pen and paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elephants. And we need to add one more that cheeky monkey is going to add. How many have we got all together now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Well done. We can put another sign in here. Equals 6. 5 add 1 equals 6. Well done, everyone. Who's our next animal? Oh, it's the frogs. There's lots of frogs. Can you count them? Some of you might be able to count them in twos. Let's have a go in ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Should we count them in twos as well? 2, 4, 6, 8. Fantastic. We know that these are even frogs because they've all got a partner, haven't they? Okay, you ready to draw 8 frogs with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 8 frogs. What will happen if we add one more? Let's have a look. Add one more equals, let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. 9 frogs all together. Fantastic. Give yourself a big tick if you've got the same as me. Who's next? The snakes. How many snakes can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you want to have a go at counting in twos as well? 2, 4, 6. Fantastic. Let's draw 6 snakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. There's my 6 snakes. What's going to happen if we add one more? Will our number get bigger or smaller? You're right, it'll get bigger. Okay, you ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fantastic. How do we draw a number 7? There we go. Brilliant. Give yourself a massive big tick if you got that right. Okay, in this activity we're going to do some adding on a number track. So you need a number track that looks a little bit like this, okay? You can write your numbers to 10, or an adult can write your numbers to 10, okay? Or if you're really confident at this, you can even have a number track to 20, okay? But today we're just going to use to 10, okay? You also need a little counter or button or coin that you can use to jump up and down the numbers, okay? So go and find yourself a number track and a counter. Pause your video, go and find it. Okay, now that we've got everything we need, we're going to do some adding on a number track. So if we all put our counters on our number 1, okay? We know that when we are adding, our number gets bigger, and so we have to go forwards on the number track. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a number and you have to tell me one more. So let me give you an example. I might say 1 more than 5. So we have to find our number 5, put our counter on our number 5 like that. And then we have to do 1 jump to add 1 more. Are you ready? Jump. 1 more than 5 is 6. Fantastic. Okay, this one's for you. Are you ready? 1 more than 3. So find your number 3. That's it. And then add 1 more. You need to do 1 jump. Okay, so I found my number 3. Are you ready to do 1 jump? And what number do we land on? Number 4. 3 add 1 is 4. Fantastic maths, everybody. Let's do another one. Oh, I'm going to do a tricky one. 1 more than 8. Find your number 8. Have you got it? There it is, look. Now we need to add one more. Are you ready? Have I done it right? 1 more than 8 is 7. Am I right? No, I'm not right. What have I done? I've taken away instead of adding, haven't I? I've jumped the wrong way. Let's go back to 8. Remember, we have to jump forwards when we're adding. Are you ready? 8 add 1 is 9. That's better. Fantastic. Okay, one more. You ready? Let's do 1 more than 6. 1 more than 6. Find your number 6. Well done. And add 1 more. Are you ready? Make your jump. Fantastic. Our number is 7. 6 add 1 is 7. Brilliant maths, everybody. You can have some more goes at that, doing that with your mummies and daddies, okay? It's really good practice. Now we have a go at doing it with our number track and our button, but a bit later on in the year we'll actually have a go at jumping with pencils on our sheets, okay? So make sure you're really comfortable jumping the right way. We have to go forwards when we're adding because our number gets bigger. Fantastic, everyone. We're going to finish off our maths lesson by doing some counting. So we're going to practice counting all the way to 20 and then all the way back. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Brilliant. Let's go backwards. Are you ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Fantastic. Good counting, everybody. This time we're going to have a go at counting in twos. Now, not all of us have had a go at counting in twos yet. So if you don't know what to do, just sit and listen. But some of my group and some of Miss Tolly's group already know how to count in twos. Shall we give it a go? So point to the shoes, and every pair of shoes we get, we're going to count 2. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Really good try, everyone. Fantastic. We'll keep practicing that. Let's have a go at counting in tens. Now, when we're at school, some of us play this game and we really like it, don't we? Because we count in tens around our circle, and if you are the one that lands on 100, you have to stand up and do 10 star jumps as fast as you can. Okay, so this time, instead of just one person doing 10 star jumps, when we get to 100, everybody can do it, even Miss Hollinshead. Are you ready? Throw me 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Quick, up you get, everybody. 10 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. That was fast. Superstars. You've done such a good job with maths today. I'm really happy with you. I've just got one more activity for you to do, and that is having a practice at writing your numbers. Okay, so on this slide, we've got your numbers to 10. So you can pause the video now and in your neatest handwriting, have a go at writing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then you can have a go at writing number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Well done everybody. I'm so pleased with how you're coming on in maths. Keep practicing at home. Can't wait to see your maths in school again soon, okay? Well done everyone.